Welcome back to 3 Minute Thursday. We're back to the old way of doing it. Wow. Anyway, we've only got 3 minutes, so I'm going to jump straight in. Today I'm going to show you the tin tap. I'm not sure if I've shown you this one before. We're going to show it to you anyway. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this. This is the simple way. That is the more difficult way. And the way we perform this is like so. You're going to have a beer grab with the bottle, holding it on the body of the bottle, and you're going to hold the shaker in a beer grab like this, and you want the shaker to be in a horizontal position. And what's going to happen is the neck of the bottle is going to tap the open end of the shaker. So you can start by just placing it in position and pushing it, okay? And then you can start by being in this position, throwing them both up, and quickly bringing your hand across. Obviously, you'll know when you get it because it will move and you hear that ding, okay? Bang. Once you've got that, then you're going to learn to be able to throw, then move your bottle into the right position to be able to perform the move. Once you've got more control over it, then you can start catching that tin in different positions, or you can even try onto the elbow, or just in front of you like this. Then you can make a paw. Yes. Sorry, I'm getting carried away. I'm excited about 3 Minute Thursdays now. You can also do it the other way. Yes. You can also do it the other way, okay? And you can do it with a turn as well. So try and figure out different ways to catch that shaker once you've tapped it. Try and find different ways to tap the shaker as well, because it doesn't end there. That's just the beginning. And that is the beginning of the new series, which is probably going to go on forever now. So thank you very much for watching. That was 3 Minute Thursday. Until next week, see you then.